Actually, there's a 14-month lease, buddy, too.
How much is the increase after a year?
I'll find out today, Mom. I don't think anything's set in stone, but there's like workforce people that rent there, so I'm sure it's very stable. And that's what I want. So you get they just added this, receive 1 month free on a 13-month lease. Offer ends December 31st, so I'm going to ask her about that. You gotta bring your video camera, buddy.
The name of this
The
dinosaur
girl
is...
is coming
Those are
back.
nice pajamas, Kyle.
Thanks.
2 for 1. Move in, Kyle.
No, I'm just looking at his back. What, do you shave his back?
No, Mom.
Oh.
No, I just never let them shave his neck or his back.
The name of the dinosaur.
When he gets a haircut, I just leave it alone so it doesn't grow in. Why?
No, considering how hairy he is the rest of the life. You still want this coffee on?
No. No. Do you like it?
I just poured it, Rob.
No.
Oh, so you made this coffee?
The name of this dinosaur is named Rugops.
Mom, leave the coffee. I'll have the rest of it if you're not going to have any.
They lived around the same era as Spinosaurus.
Where'd my cup go? You washed that already?
I didn't wash anything. You put it over
That's
there.
who we're drawing tonight.
Robin? Yeah. It's over here.
Where?
Over here.
Oh, I finished it?
You did it.
Oh, I don't need any more. How much coffee is left? And you only have 1 cup?
That's it.
I'll drink it. It's liquid gold.
You drink your coffee black. Oh, right. So you do.
And there he is.
What?
I hope it doesn't make it smell.
What? Mom, with the garlic and only us smelling, you're not gonna smell. You mean this thing?
The vinegar won't make
Twist
it.
it. I keep twisting.
I did.
Oh. I can smell. Rachel didn't send a picture of what she looks like?
And there he is. That is how you draw Rugops.
Hope he didn't do her eyes like he did his wife.
Robin, stop worrying about this.